Hello, a lot of people ask me what is the solid state relay because they always say the traditional magnetic contactor like this one and also the middle relay like this one. Even this manual switch, this is you can see it everywhere in the machine. Today I will introduce you solid state relay for this type. The main part of solid state relay is its chip we call the thyristor. It's like the CPU to the computer. Today I will introduce you solid state relay. How to use solid state relay. You can see this is a power supply. It's 220 AC power, and this is a light bulb. It's three phase, but we will only use single phase. And here is input signal. We will use 4 voltage DC as the input signal. Now I will do the collection. Okay, yeah. Now we turn on the power supply. Now the bulb is turned off. We will use about 4 DC voltage as the input signal. Then we will use the input signal to open the switch. You can see. Because the bulb is turned on. If we remove the input signal, the bulb is turned off. Now we can turn on the bulb pin. This is the usage of solid.
Perfect.
Now we use another solid state relay. We open the power supply. We will also use the input signal. It's also 4 voltage DC. You can see we open the light bulb. If we remove the signal, the bulb is turned off. We open the power supply. We use the input signal. It's also a 4 voltage DC. Now use the light bulb is turned on. Remove the input signal, the bulb is turned off. Now we use SSR. It's short of solid state relay, and it's integrated with the aluminum. It's heat sink. It can improve the heat dissipation ability of solid state relay. Now we give the power supply. We also use the input signal. It's also 4 voltage DC. You can see we open the bulb, remove the input signal, the bulb is turned off. Now we use SSR. It's short of solid state relay, and it's integrated with the aluminum. It's heat sink. It can improve the heat dissipation ability of solid state relay. Now we give the power supply. We also use the input signal. It's also 4 voltage DC. You can see we open the bulb, remove the input signal, the bubble is turned off.